what's my suitcase called? Bye, Kipka.
First gas station stop.
Be a part of it, New York, New York, New York now. We're in New York.
Moving. The blog, I would say, Ainsley, I love you, I miss you, come home, baby girl, the kids miss you, little Jimmy and Tara, they have been asking, where is Daddy Papa?
What up, vlog?
Good morning.
T-Dog and A-Dog.
T-Dog and A-Dog.
It's 8:27 on Friday, January 10th. We're leaving New York.
We're at Auntie Elaine's house. Look at
3-point
this. I literally disappear in the hood. Well, back to the directions. Second stop for gas. We are currently kind of stuck though.
Get to Indiana.
We're in Scranton! If anyone was wondering, this is Scranton, Pennsylvania. Hi guys, update. We switched.
We're in Mifflinville.
We're in Mifflinville, Pennsylvania. We stopped to get coffee.
It's so good. And you know what time it is? Snack time.
Snack time, get the PB&Js out. Thank you, Auntie Elaine, for making us peanut butter and jellies on our departure from her house. I've got halos too, the little clementines.
Oh.
And probably digging into these. This is probably the best peanut butter and jelly I'm ever gonna eat.
Lock the fuck in.
Rainbow loom galore.
Ready?
We're at our... This is the bathroom? I'm a little scared. I just drove 3 hours. Tessa just drove 3 hours.
Why do I actually look like insane?
We stopped for gas again. Tessa's somewhere. Yeah, she's over there. There's this place called Gars. There's a place called Gibbs, and there's a place called She's. Not really sure what those mean. That's Gars. This is Gibbs Street right here, and that's She's. I don't know. This place is weird. We're in Pennsylvania.
miles from Cleveland, Ohio. 3:04 Friday, January 10th, 2025.
We have a question. Maybe this is us being delusional. How the fuck do they make veggie sticks?
They don't taste like veggies.
They don't look like veggies. They don't smell like veggie. So is it just like a corn stick?
Well, corn is technically veggie. Okay, yeah, pass me, fucker.
She's getting road rage.
I just think they gotta be freeze-dried.
Freeze dried. I get that. We're gonna look it up and find out. We passed Slippery Rock University. That's not real.
Pennsylvania's really long.
Took like I was trying not to like actually lose it. Wait, we're in Ohio! Okay, we just entered Ohio. Sorry about that interruption.
Veggie straws taste different in Ohio.
Bro, what? We have another question.
What do people in Ohio do?
Every single Ohioan. The signs that we have passed are not real. Like, I genuinely don't get where these town names came from. There were so many villas in Pennsylvania. We didn't go to Puxatawny. Where did that originate from?
Obviously the groundhog.
Tessa said that a day in the life of a Ohioan.
They wake up ass cracking on for no reason.
4 a.m. tops.
Drink like half a pot of black coffee while like watching the weather. And hit a deer with a red truck. And then they go home, bring the deer, and skin it.
And then they go to bed at like 2 a.m. and they sleep for 2 hours.
Yeah, probably.
We just passed a place called Grandpa's Cheese Bar. It officially started snowing outside and we're making our way. We have 3 hours and 30 minutes left. It's honestly not bad. It's just the wind, if anything. The gas station is touchscreen. Never seen that in my life. It's also snowing. Like, pretty bad. Whoa. So, we are currently stuck in Ohio. Let's just show you the conditions real quick. Yeah, so if you can't tell, that's not drivable. We're together, baby. It is now 7. We're at a gas station with a bathroom, food. We have plenty of food. I brought a comforter. We're taking a load off until we figure out what we're gonna do about that. Dead serious, just saw a plow pull in and not plow the road. He went to the Wendy's drive-thru. Get your plows on the ground.
One lane.
There's literally 1 lane open in Ohio right now on the highway.
This is like a 4-lane highway, maybe.
Yep.
Yeah, this is all that there is.
Yep, they have not sanded anything. It's actually horrible. We're here.
Yeah.
Heaven.
Nerds gummy clusters.
We're getting gas again, and the snow is disgusting.
Good morning.
This is where we are.
This is in Indiana.
Yep.
This is what I thought Indiana was.
Yeah. But McKenna saved us last night, thank God, because that was a brutal snowstorm. Tessa was great with directions, and we powered through.
I'll be in Boulder in like 14 hours. So
Only 14, guys. Let's go.
I'm not gonna make it. Hey vlog. It's 7:27. Oh my god, we just time traveled.
The time change.
We just drove through like that Welcome to Illinois sign. Well, we didn't take a photo of it because I was taking a photo of a different sign that said Golden Nuggets Casino.
There was also one that said call Jane Willis or something like that.
Fuck is Jane Willis?
It might not even say Jane Willis. It was a Jane and W name.
Have you called Jenna Worth? No
Yeah.
phone number.
No, no.
How are you gonna call them?
Our first malfunction, my windshield wiper just decided to kick it. Tessa said this is the biggest city in Illinois. I did remind her that Chicago is in Illinois.
Chicago's its own state.
It's not its own
It's
state.
like its own entity.
Anyways, we just got gas again.
Dunkin'.
We got
Cups are
Dunkin',
different.
yes. Love it. Our arrival time is 9:55.
Am I going straight?
Yep.
Straight for 79 miles.
Didn't want to tell you that, but yeah.
It's okay. MISSISIPPI.
The Mississippi River!
Hey vlog, it's 12:17 on Saturday the 11th. Ainsley's cleaning the car. I think I'm going insane.
Hey!
Is that?
Plug it.
I just want to show the vlog my shark roasting. That's all.
We just got gas again. Currently snacking on organic strawberries.
Going insane.
Yeah.
This is what it's been. Past like 6 hours since we've been awake. Maybe.
Yeah.
The only thing keeping me alive is knowing I'm gonna be in a twin XL in like 12 hours.
Your dorm bed.
My dorm bed's so comfy.
Okay, we got food. This is gonna revive us. We switched again. Just got gas and drinking our Red Bulls away. We have 7 more hours.
Oh, we're almost in our last state. Second to last state.
Yep. Second to last state. Thank God. Anyways, see you in Nebraska.
This is Mambo number 5.
We're in Colorado!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of Monica in my life.
The sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder.
Smaller than the other.
Did you? Wait, Kyle, did you?
no.
Fuck you.
Bye.